Hello beautiful people, and welcome to another video. My name is Namulina, and today I am super excited about today's video because I was lucky enough to be gifted this beautiful wig from Sogoodhair. They have a website and they're also on Instagram, so you guys can definitely go and check them out. But all the items came in this beautiful white box. The wig came in a lovely little drawstring bag, and I got tons of goodies, and I'm actually going to be wearing the lashes from their gift bag, which is very rare. So to get started, the first thing I need to do is to open the wig and show it to you guys. This is a lovely deep wave wig. It is an ear-to-ear lace frontal wig, which I love. I love ear-to-ear lace frontal wigs for the days when I really want to slay and I want to look amazing. Okay, so it does come with 4 combs inside. It has one in the front, one on each side, and one at the back. A back comb for me is super handy when you do have an elastic in like this wig. This has one of those removable elastics, which I love. This means that you can choose to wear the elastic or not, and it's also adjustable, so you could actually adjust it and make it tighter or looser according to how you want it. And the knots on this are pre-bleached, which is really great. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my tweezer, customize this a little bit. It does come customized, but I did want to customize a little bit more, and I'm also going to be using my hot comb just to make sure that I style it and keep it flat. Now, concerning the lashes, I am using the Line Lash and Go from my company, the South African Hair Emporium, and this is an eyeliner and lash glue in one easy to use product. So you literally just line, you apply your lashes, and you go. It is very easy. If you struggle with eyelashes, this is exactly what you want to use. The reason I'm showing this to you guys is because most companies give you those cheap eyelashes that you cannot wear. These are not Ming eyelashes, but they were so beautiful that I just had to put them on for you guys, and most companies do not do this for you guys, and this is how it looks. They're really nice, not too dramatic, just the perfect look. Alright guys, so this is the final look. This is how the hair looks. I will just come on the side so you guys can actually see what the hair looks like. So I just combed it out just so I could have a really nice big fluffy look. And all the details on the hair, it is from Sogoodhair, and it is www.sogoodhair.com. So this is a 13x4 ear-to-ear lace frontal wig. Ear-to-ear lace frontal means the lace is from one ear to the other ear in the front. Ear-to-ear lace frontal wig. It is pre-bleached. It has I believe it has 3 combs because there's one at the back, there's one on the side as well. I'm just using the one at the back, and it is human hair, and it does come with those free gifts, which I think we can just go through right now. So this is the box as you guys saw at the beginning of the video. That's what it looks like, and then it comes with this bonnet. That's what it looks like. And then the hair pack, I already took the tweezer out because I used it to customize the hair even more. And it comes with this brush over here. It comes with a wig cap, which I'm not wearing today, and it comes with I think this is an elastic. Why does it feel hard? Okay, let's open this up and see what it is. I think it is a hairband, but it feels hard, so I'm curious to actually see what it is. Let's open it up. So when you buy, you do get a free gift. And these are the items that I received with my order. So why is it hard? This is so odd. What is this? Oh my gosh, what is this? It has a wire inside. What is this? Guys, I don't know what this is. If anyone knows what this is, please tell me. It has, like, you know those bendable wires? Oh my gosh, it's freaking me out. It feels like I'm holding like a snake or something alive. Like, it literally has those bendable wires inside, like just one in each. If anybody knows what this is, please tell me. It feels so freaky. Okay, and then the last 3 items in the package. So you get this little bag right here, and it has these nude colored hair clips. So those are for when you're making your wig and you want it to stick on. And then it also has another elastic. So I already have one of these in the wig, like it comes pre-stitched on, and I love these. These are really, really great if you are trying to keep your wig snugly on, or you're using the glueless method. Even with glue, this works so well. So this hooks in inside. There are already two parts that are stitched on. Then you literally hook it in and it holds your wig down. Then you can adjust how tight or loose it is. So it has those three, like a bra strap. Then you can put it on the setting that fits perfectly for you around the ears. I love, love, love these. These are one of my favorites. Okay. And then they also gave me a pair of earrings. I don't know if you guys are aware, I don't even have earring holes. Like, I'm gonna say, well, I've never had them, probably will never have them. I'm just not an earring person, but I will show them to you guys. Let me try and get it out without ruining it. Okay, I'll show you one. So this is what they look like, and they will essentially be like that. I don't know if that's cute or not. You guys can let me know. Oops. But yeah, those are the earrings. If I had earring holes, I'd put them on so that you guys can see. And then it also came with lashes, and I'm actually wearing the lashes. I believe these are faux mink lashes. They don't feel like mink lashes. I'm quite familiar with mink lashes. They don't feel like mink lashes. I think these are faux mink, or they are either faux mink or like completely synthetic. One of those two. But they are quite nice. It is not too dramatic. It's just an okay style of lashes. Let's talk about the actual hair, the wig. So I was really excited when they contacted me. I was gifted this wig. I did not buy it with my own money. I was gifted. Thanks so much to Sogoodhair for sending through this wig. Alright, so talking about the hair, this is 18 inches. It is a deep wave wig, and it is 150% density. Okay, so I do not have any issue with the density of the hair. I actually think it's just a really nice natural density. However, there are a few things that I'm not too happy with, or I'm a bit confused about. This is supposed to be deep wave hair. I have had tons of wigs over my lifetime. I've worn a lot of curly wigs, and this for me is not deep wave. I feel like they need to go back to their website and label this loose wave, and that's not because of how I combed it, but because of how the hair is. It literally is not deep wave. Deep wave is a bit of a tighter curl than this. It is not like kinky curly, but it is a little more tighter than this. And that's one of the issues with these factories, is that everybody names items the way they want to. So you may know that kinky curly is a very tight curl, and somebody else's one could be completely different. So please be advised about that. This is not the type of deep wave that you guys would be thinking is deep wave, or that you are used to being deep wave. This is literally more of a loose wave, and that's not because of the way I combed it. Even when I got it, I was like, nah, this is loose wave. This should not be named deep wave. But everybody can name hair the way they want to, okay? Just for those of you who are used to a certain look or a pattern going with a certain type of hair, this is more of a loose wave, okay? So the density is perfectly fine, but when I got it, I was very excited. I was like, oh my gosh, for the first time ever, I've gotten a perfectly bleached wig from a company. That is not the case. These knots are over bleached. In fact, over here by the ear, it was literally so blonde. It feels like they used a 40 volume to bleach their hair, because the hair was like really, really blonde. I had to pluck it all out. Secondly, this has never happened to me before, but when I was using the hot comb, it literally burnt the lace. So the front of the lace, because it comes with lace over it, burnt, and then where I'd combed it in, the inside burnt. I think it's on this side. So I had to cut it backwards into the hairline, just to get rid of that part that had burnt, and I had to put my hot comb in a very low setting. So this is the hot comb from the South African Hair Emporium from my company, and it goes up till 230 degrees. I had to use the hot comb on 145 degrees, which is the lowest heat setting. And yeah, so I don't know what's going on, because I've never ever had that problem. So I installed this wig directly from the box, from when they sent it. I didn't wash it, I didn't do anything to it, so I can't necessarily tell you guys how the hair is going to wear, how the hair takes heat or anything. All I know is that the lace was just melting. I was literally so pissed, especially on this side, because I had to cut into the hair. But so far it feels good. It looks good. I do wish it was a true deep wave, but this look is not bad at all. It really isn't bad at all. I think also if you're looking for a wig that you can be versatile with, that you can straighten, this would probably work really well for that. Because of the type of curl it is, it would be so much easier to straighten this hair out and actually get that look. So in terms of the gifts that I received, you can receive that with your order. The gifts are worth $40. I really like how these lashes are sitting. They're not too dramatic. They do look long in the box. If you guys check back to my unboxing, you will see that they look a bit long, but once they're on your face, once they're on your eyelids, they actually look pretty good. I actually really like them. In terms of the color of the lace, it matches pretty well. I did use the Tailored Crowns lace tint. I did manage to import that quite some time ago. It was a collaboration between Tailored Crowns and the Hair Diagram. So I purchased the entire range of that, managed to import that quite some time ago, and that's what I used to tint my lace. I didn't use any foundation. So the lace melts pretty good. It melts pretty good. I don't know if you guys can see my orange hair. My natural hair is still orange. If you guys watch my other video, my natural actual hair is actually pretty orange and it doesn't show through. So the lace is really good, it melts really good, and I'm pretty happy with the color and the look of the lace. I just don't know like what happened with the melting part. Okay, so the company is Sogoodhair. I will leave all that information in the description box, and I actually have a code for you guys that you guys can use, and the code is Nana10. You guys can go on to their website www.sogoodhair.com and you guys can place your order there. They have all types of wigs. They have short, long wigs, and the delivery to South Africa was pretty good. I did have to pay customs when it came in. I believe the customs was around 300 Rand. Around 300 Rand, and they used, trying to remember, I believe they use FedEx, which I really like. I really like FedEx. Yeah, they definitely use FedEx. I like FedEx because the customer service is really good. When you do call them, it is a toll-free line, so you don't have to worry about being on the phone with your own airtime. You literally don't have to worry about that. It's a toll-free line. The online tracking is also really good, and most of the time the charges are lower than DHL and Aramex. So with DHL and Aramex, if something is being imported, you could pay around 800, 1,000, 700. But with FedEx, it's normally around 150, 200, 300, 350 if there are any customs charges. So I did have to pay customs when receiving this week. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys learned something. If you have purchased from them, please do let me know. I want to keep my hair reviews as honest as possible. If there are any issues that I'm having, I want you guys to be able to know about them. And yeah, so far so good. We'll see how the hair holds up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Please do like and subscribe, and if you guys would like to see more detailed hair tutorial videos and hair reviews, please let me know. I would love to do that. I love hair. I love changing my hair up all the time, but I do know that my channel is very heavily fashion focused, so maybe we can add them into the fashion videos. You guys can let me know what you prefer. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.